Hola, amigas in Capital One. Thank you so much for offering this opportunity to apply for funding. My name is Elizabeth Sanchez. I'm a licensed marriage and family therapist in the state of California and the proud founder of Cafecito y Calidad podcast. Having been in business since 2019, I'm deeply committed to provide mental health services to the BIPOC and underrepresented communities. Through my work as a therapist at Calidad Holistic Wellness and Therapy, I've noticed so much of our community struggling with first-gen stressors, trying to heal from multi-generational trauma, working on breaking cycles within their family, struggling with depression, anxiety, even PTSD. So when I noticed there was an issue and a problem that wasn't fully being addressed within our community, I took it upon myself to launch Cafecito y Calidad podcast. This podcast is my offering to my community where we have quality conversations over coffee. We talk about issues such as mental health and ways to be able to seek out support. My services go beyond individual therapy. Our mission at Calidad Holistic Wellness is to treat the person, the human, on a holistic level. Not only am I a therapist, but I'm also a facilitator and a consultant. I provide therapists, EMDR, and private practice consultation for those therapists who are wanting to grow and start their own private practice. I'm excited around the idea of using this funding to help elevate the services that we offer at Calidad Holistic Wellness and Therapy.
My clients, mi comunidad, are BIPOC, first-gen folks who are cycle breakers, trailblazers, who are motivated to reach their greatest potential and heal their multi-generational trauma. Over the next 12 months, my aspirations are centered around expanding our impact and creating meaningful connections within our community. Here are some of our goals. Increase our community holistic workshops. Establish a group practice so that I can hire licensed therapists and associates. Invest in Cafecito y Calidad and become an EMDR facilitator. As you can see in our reel that recently went viral, we support our community in breaking multi-generational cycles and help them feel seen and heard. Some of the comments read, "I feel seen, I'm literally in tears. We are first gen and we are parenting in a whole different way. ¿Quién más?" This grant would play a pivotal role in sustaining and growing our business.
I'm extremely grateful for the opportunity to share our story and to be considered for this grant. From my community to yours, mil gracias.